Hey guys, thank you for watching another one of my videos. Today, or a week and a half ago, we would have been flying this thing. Let's just roll to the clip.
Oh, you're not the pilot! Should I press the X?
Controls for you.
I'll press the X.
No.
Do you have a mouse? Wait, there's a mouse
Click
right
the little... Could you click the box? Not the X though.
Don't touch it! It's not working.
Oh, it's working, don't worry.
Oh,
Oh, is it though?
this one?
Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. I'm confident. And one of the freaking no distractions. Also, oh, I got one more. Okay, these don't hold back. You can let them on.
Yowie. Oh, perfect. I just landed in the thing. Is that an accurate simulation? Like,
Yes.
very accurate? Like, yeah. Like, it's
No.
as sensitive or what?
It's not perfect, but
Would it be easier in real life or what?
yeah.
Because you'd be pretty bad pilot if it was exactly right. But don't worry, you haven't had any training. Glare. Yes.
What's this thing about?
What? No.
Andrew, can you hand me the mouse? Oh, still give it to me, Andrew. Sorry.
We're going down.
Okay, you can fly it. I'm just going to...
No! We're gonna die, Houston.
disconnect.
No! Just stay there. Oh, what kind of...
Sorry, Andrew. You failed.
Dad was off my video. Here's my video.
Thank you so much for watching, and remember that life is a journey, so keep on flying, but don't stall. That thing, oh, just annoying. Let's check the secret compartment. It's still broken, so I'll just do it manually. Ugh. So, we have a dimmer, a 12-volt dimmer. I actually tried to hook it up yesterday, but it needs 12 volts, not 9 volts, so we'll have to add another AA. Potentiometers. These are like rotary encoders, but they don't have the cool button thingy. I'm going to show you how to wire these. And last but not least, a 0 delay.